Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to message a friend on TikTok. Here are the steps to message a friend on TikTok using your mobile device. First, open the TikTok app. Tap the inbox icon at the bottom menu, usually second from the right. In some older TikTok versions, you can tap the paper plane icon or the direct messages in the top right corner to view your messages. In my case, the latest updates, a message preview appears instead, and you just need to scroll to see all your recent conversations. Now, you'll see a list of recent messages. If your friend is already there, tap their name to open the chat, and now tap on the arrow to the left in the top left corner to go back. Now, if you don't see your friend's username, tap the search icon. Type your friend's username in the search bar. Then tap on their profile icon from the search results. Once on their profile, tap the message button if available. Type your message in the text field at the bottom. Tap the send or paper plane to deliver your message. Wait for the response and continue chatting in the same thread. Take note, you can only message users who follow you back or have their messaging settings open. If you don't see the message button, they may have restricted messages. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.